So today I'm going to talk about a little issue I run into kind of often when I work with track mats in Premiere. And that issue is that the track mat key scales the mat to the clip instead of keeping it fixed to the frame. What do I mean by that? Well, I'll show you. I am going to add the track mat to this image and I want it applied to the MP4 above. So the mat is going to come from the layer above and we need to apply it to the one below. And here I have my track mat key. If I just double click it, it will be applied to this clip. And then I'm going to go into my effect controls and determine which mat to use. And that would be video 5, the one above it. Cool. So this is exactly what I was talking about. It has applied the mat, but now the scaling is off. And this happens because the aspect ratios of these two clips are different. And you need them to be exactly the same for the mat to be applied correctly, the way you want it to be applied without scaling it. So let's solve this. And I find the easiest way to solve this, to keep everything the way you want it, is to nest. So I'm going to nest this layer, the one that I have the track mat applied to. So let me just delete the track mat off of that. I'm going to right click on the clip itself, select nest. You can name your nest if you want. I'm lazy, so I didn't name it, but that's totally fine. Now, with it nested, it's going to recognize this clip as a 1920 by 1080 size, which is the same as the one above it. They're going to match, so there will be no scaling issue. So now, with the nested sequence selected, I'm going to go back to Effects, back to my track mat key, double click, go back to Effect Controls, apply the mat using the layer above it. Perfect. So there's no scaling. It has not shrunk down. That is the way to do it, in my opinion. You can also just rescale the layer, but I don't recommend doing that because it will cause some issues. So what do I mean by that? If you undo what you just did and click on that clip that you want the track mat applied to and scale it up, that'll still work. So now if I apply a track mat here and then go back to my effect controls, it worked. But the problem is I had to scale it up, and that doesn't always solve your issue. Sometimes you want things to stay exactly as they are. So I think nesting is the way to go here. However, like you can see, there's different ways to solve the problem. I hope this helped you guys. And if you have any other questions or concerns, please let me know in the comments. If you want more about track mat keys, I'm happy to share what I know. So leave me a message, and thank you guys so much for watching and supporting. If you found this video helpful, I have a whole playlist in Premiere with more tips and tricks like this.
If you want to support me and see what I've been working on, check out my explainer video channel.